So now I will just go in this. Let me know in the comment section if you want anything in specific or you have any questions related to array. But before we move ahead, I have a question for you for which I need an answer in the comment section below. Let me know what is the difference between, array, okay, and labels, plain labels. So type the answers in the comment section which we just discussed, okay. And what is the advantage of using array? A single advantage, just comment that in the comment section below. Hello guys, hope you are doing good and welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are having one model, and by using this model, we are going to learn how to use arrays, and we are also going to learn about creating some of the logics which we would need occasionally in this simulation to be created, okay. So we'll be learning the scripting with its application. We are going to learn about creating the logics, and in detail about arrays and their functions and applications, okay. So stay tuned till end of this video, okay. This video might cover up into multiple parts, so do not forget to watch those subsequent parts which are going to come ahead, okay. So talking about array, array is nothing but a type of a list which is going to be taken care into while we are, creating a logics. So that helps us making the, multiple labels list. So I'll just show you an example. So this is the item which has been created, okay, onto this machine, okay. And if you could look at, when I click on this item, you're going to see a single label named as machine cycle time, okay. And it is having an array with multiple values consisting in that array, okay. So if you see, the array is nothing but a type of list in which multiple values are filled into, and you can fetch those as per your requirement. So I'll just explain you what the logic is and how it has been created, and then we'll walk into how the arrays are created and what is the use of that. You'll understand slowly. So if you look at the source, what I've done is we are creating a cylinders coming onto the queue. What we have done is on entry we have created an array. We'll go to that later, understanding how we created those. And then on exit I have assigned the label. If you see, the item which comes here is going to have a type label, and that is these. So we are having a data set with SKUs, and these all SKUs are going to go to all the 6 machines. And if you see, we are going to have all these cycle times for that. So if AC1 goes from station 1 to station 6, these are the cycle times it's going to have, or it has to follow in seconds. So machine 1 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then it's going to go out. Similarly, BC1 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 out, okay. So this is how it's going to get created. Then what we have done on each of the stations, again we have assigned the how we are reading the array to get in the details of the cycle times for each of the machines. So how is the logic? I'll just tell you now. This is what we have created in Flexsim, but the logic, let us understand. So we have a factory where we are going to get in the bottles, okay, and each bottle is having its SKU number. These SKUs are going to have the cycle times for the machines, and those are filled into the array for each type of part. We're going to get the arrays, okay. Single row is going to be an array for it. Now just look at the application of array here. If you wanted to label these all cycle times to your SKUs and then fetch it out from your machines, just look how tedious it would be if you don't use array. You would have to label 6 labels onto each item. So machine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the most basic way you can do. This is somewhat advanced. And then you can, fetch in machine 1, oh, this is the label. Machine 2, oh, this is the label. 3, this is the label. Just look at how complicated or, time consuming and your model what I can say, a memory it's going to consume. But if you see in this, a single label named as machine cycle time is going to have all your values, all your labels to be fitted into this. And then you can pull it as per requirement and you can read the value and fill that in. Just imagine if you're going to have thousands of labels, okay, or hundreds of labels you want to fill in. Are you going to do this in a list? Are you going to do this manually like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Even from a script, you will have to put a hell lot of list of the labels. But arrays are going to be the great thing to be used during that period where you have multiple labels to be assigned. It's going to be the best part to use array. Okay, so what we learned, so the advantages of array is that it reduces the label size. Okay, in a single label you can have n number of values filled in, and then you can read that as per your requirement ahead. So what we did is we have assigned all the labels to that SKU of the cycle times of the machines using array. The cycle times are read to individual machines. So if the machine 6 it comes, it's going to read the array value of that machine. If it's 3, it's going to fetch 30 by referring to the third value in array. Okay, and then when it is going to come at the end where we are going to have a finished bottles, these finished bottles are supposed to be what I can say, packed onto by using a pallet. So now my pallet is CD3, so it will have to pack 10 bottles of CD3 onto here. So we will be packing here, and then after palletization, the complete pallet with bottles will be coming out here. We'll understand how we are pulling exactly the same bottles, what is the logic we have applied, and how this all works. So now going back, starting again, let us deep dive down into details of arrays and understand some of the concepts you need to use in arrays. Okay, so now I will just go in this. Let me know in the comment section if you want anything in specific or you have any questions related to array. But before we move ahead, I have a question for you for which I need an answer in the comment section below. Let me know what is the difference between array, okay, and labels, plain labels. So type the answers in the comment section which we just discussed. Okay, and what is the advantage of using array? A single advantage, just comment that in the comment section below. Now we'll come into the system, what we have done. Okay, for premium content, do not forget to visit our website Leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in simulation solutions, you're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs, you will be getting 3ds model file support, you can buy modules, you get access to simulation case studies, you can visit our services, also you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online requirement. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website Leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.